Project SINAG, or Solar PV Resource and Installation Assessment using Geospatial Technologies, is a research project funded under the auspices of the DOST-MOST China Joint Research Program. It is led by Dr. Jark Principe from the National Engineering Center of the University of the Philippines, Diliman, together with our counterparts in China, namely Mr. Infeng Yao and Mr. Yong Chao Wei. Project SINAG, with its two components, solar pots and outsolar, is significant to provide stakeholders in the energy sector scientific data on the potential output power that can be harnessed from solar PV installations. The project has these following objectives: to assess the available solar PV power resource potential in the Philippines using high-temporal, remotely sensed data that will consider meteorological and geomorphological aspects, as well as quantify the effects of high temperature and dust deposition on different locally available solar PV models, and recommend solar PV models that are highly tolerant to high temperature and dust effect. Including in the project's objectives is to develop a web GIS for solar energy resource information access and decision support, as well as conduct IECs and capacity building activities for various stakeholders of solar energy. And these are the following expected outputs of Project SINAG. To know more about Project SINAG, visit us on our website at www.sinag.nec.upd.edu.ph or visit us on Facebook.